Welcome to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the best products on the market to help you make informed decisions. Today, we're talking about the Etekcity 0.1 grams food kitchen scale with a removable bowl, which we believe is the best digital food scale bowl out there. If you're someone who enjoys cooking, dieting, or baking, this scale is a game changer. Let's start with the basics. This scale has a sleek and modern design, featuring a stainless steel body and a detachable plastic bowl. The bowl is not only a practical addition, but it's also detachable, making it easy to store and clean. Whether you're weighing large portions for a meal prep session or smaller amounts for precise baking, this scale has you covered. One of the standout features of this scale is its accuracy. It provides measurements down to 0.1 grams, giving you precise control over the ingredients you're using, which is crucial for baking and portioning. It also offers a wide range of unit conversions, including grams, ounces, pounds, fluid ounces, and milliliters, which makes it versatile for various tasks. The Etekcity kitchen scale has a backlit LCD display, making it easy to read measurements even in low light conditions. It's clear and large enough to avoid any confusion, so you can be confident in your measurements every time. The scale has a capacity of up to 11 pounds or 5 kilograms, meaning you can weigh everything from small spices to larger food items like meat or fruit. Another great feature is its dual increment system. For weights under 1,000 grams, it measures in 0.1 gram increments, while for weights between 1,000 and 5,000 grams, it measures in 1 gram increments. This feature adds flexibility, especially for different types of cooking. And of course, it runs on just 2 AAA batteries, which are included in the package, so you won't have to worry about buying batteries separately. It's super simple to use, just place your ingredients in the bowl or directly on the scale, and it will give you an accurate reading in seconds. In terms of cleaning and maintenance, the scale is a breeze. The bowl can be removed, and the stainless steel surface is easy to wipe down, so you don't have to worry about the hassle of a complicated cleanup process. Overall, the Etekcity food kitchen scale offers exceptional value. Whether you're looking to improve your baking, meal prep, or portion control, this scale delivers precision, practicality, and ease of use, all in a stylish package. If you're serious about cooking, dieting, or simply want to make your kitchen tasks easier, this is the scale you need. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more honest reviews of the best products out there.